coming in over the swan, gracefully down. When compared with the earlier 767, the weight reduction advanced aerodynamics will offer 17% reduction in fuel burn, which is really significant. Hence why the runway lights weren't off, because they didn't do touch and go. What's the landing and touch and go landing point? Not a lot. Well, there we go. Don't often see airliners do a touch and go. Circuits and bumps. Unless it's raining, then it's a splash and a dash. Now the runway lights are off. So downwind to land. And that was remarkably quiet, wasn't it? When power came on the effectively the touch and go on the go-round, it was remarkably quiet. As I said, operational cruise speed, Mach 185, which sort of speeds that we fly the 747s at, so it all fits into the network well. This variant, the Dash 9 variant, represents a 20-foot fuselage stretch and a 6-foot span increase when compared to its younger brother, the Dash 8. Boeing has also taken orders for VIP versions of both Dreamliner models. That'd be serious luxury. And there she is, settling down. Oh, we can tell it's a landing run. The spoilers are out on the top surface of the wing to kill the lift. Rolls-Royce engines on this particular version. And this is, as you can see, 001. The first one, and there it is, unveiled here at Farnborough, 2014. Now it's going to make his way down to the Laffins Plain end and turn around at the far end, then come back to be parked away in his roost.